Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zendesk Agent Console, beginner guide step by step clearly. To log into the Zendesk Agent Console, first, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in your Zendesk subdomain. For example, if your subdomain is your company, enter yourcompany.zendesk.com. Press the Enter key to navigate to your Zendesk login page. On the login page, you'll see two fields. The first field asks for your email address. Enter the email address associated with your Zendesk account. Next, move to the password field. Type in your account password carefully. Once both fields are filled out, locate the Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to the Zendesk Agent Console. In case you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. If you're logging in for the first time, check your email for a confirmation link. Make sure to activate your account as required. After successfully logging in, you will see the dashboard of the Agent Console. From here, you can start managing tickets and accessing various features. Congratulations, you are now logged into the Zendesk Agent Console. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.